We are Team SMAD, and we are here to present CommunityLy. This is an application we have developed to enable New South Wales planning to identify sites for more public space developments. CommunityLy sources the public spaces data from NSW planning resources. According to this dataset, there are more than 27,000 public spaces in the state of New South Wales. It could be a challenging task to identify the regions of lower public space availability by just surfacing through a map interface. CommunityLy provides an advanced analytics approach to identify potential areas of public space development. The analytics is surfaced on a map-based interface on CommunityLy. To explain the analytics approach, we have sourced the population data from ABS using the ABS Data API. The data is sourced at an SA2 level of aggregation. We have also sourced the SA2 geographical boundaries from ABS, which is currently not available through the API, but could easily be made available. We have identified the number of different types of public spaces within each SA2s and have created a score of public space counts to population for all SA2s. The score is indexed against an average at the state level to normalize the values. We can then plot these scores for a particular type of public space, and it becomes quite easy to understand regions of public space gaps. The lighter colored areas on the map indicate that the number of parks per population is significantly low in these regions. We can switch between different types of public spaces to understand the gaps in the types. For example, this is the gap region identification for picnic areas in New South Wales. To further enhance the abilities of New South Wales planning in identifying opportunities to develop more public spaces, we have used the zone map layer from New South Wales planning. The identified zones which are suitable for public space developments when plotted against the gaps in public spaces depicts a clear picture for opportunities for development. If we look at the Marston Park area in Greater Sydney, the number of parks per population ratio is quite low. Once we plot the zonal information and select a zoned region, we can see the zoned land that could be utilized for park development. CommunityLy provides easily accessible information for all types of public space development, and further planning information can be plotted to make the site discovery for necessary public space creation as easy as possible.